In this video, we're going to learn how to add algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions are added in the same way as numerical fractions. Let's see how. Our sample question is to simplify 3k divided by 5 plus k divided by 2. What do they mean by simplify? When we are asked to simplify an expression, we are asked to express it as a single fraction. So how do we add fractions? Well, remember when you were adding numerical fractions, you needed to make the things on the bottom the same. Then you just add the tops. In mathematical terms, we call the thing on the bottom the denominator, and the thing on the top a numerator. We have to find a common denominator. This is our plan. To get a common denominator, we need a number that can be divided by both 5 and 2. In this case, 10 will work. For the first term, 3k on 5, 5 has to be multiplied by 2 to get 10. So we multiply both the top and the bottom by 2. In other words, we multiply by 2 on 2. 2 on 2 is of course just 1, so we are really multiplying by 1, which isn't changing the number at all. For the second term, k on 2, 2 is multiplied by 5 to get 10, so we multiply the top and bottom by 5. When we multiply fractions, we multiply top and bottom. So 3k times 2 is 6k, and 5 times 2 is 10. So our first term becomes 6k on 10. The second term, using the same method, becomes 5k on 10. Remember, this expression is exactly the same as the first one, because all we did was multiply by 1. But now the denominators are the same, so we can add the numerators and it becomes 6k plus 5k all over 10. 6k plus 5k is simply 11k, so our final answer is 11k over 10. And we can't simplify that further because we don't know what k is, so we're done. Let's have another example. What about if the letters are on the bottom? Well, it's the same thing. Let's try simplifying 5 on a plus 7 on 3b. We need a denominator that both a and 3b go into. Well, we can just multiply both of them together and get 3ab. In fact, if you are struggling to find a common denominator, multiplying the denominators together will always work. A goes into 3ab 3b times, so we multiply top and bottom of the first bit by 3b. And 3b goes into 3ab a times, so we multiply top and bottom of the second bit by a. And multiply to get 15b over 3ab plus 7a over 3ab. Now we have a common denominator, so we put the numerators all over the same denominator. 15b plus 7a all over 3ab, and that's it. So there you go, adding fractions with algebra. If you want more practice, follow the links we've provided.